Air Jordan 1 Mid. Denim 2025. Jordan brand has some ideas for your wardrobe's footwear section as the light-wash denim season draws to a close. The Jumpman Summer 2025 catalog is expected to include the new women's version of the Air Jordan 1 Mid, which features denim overlays, gum soles, and a gold accent. The toe box, quarter, and collar are adorned with white leather, which is layered with light-wash denim panels that are ideal for the season. A gold Old English J keychain adds even more sophistication to the delivery, while a brown gum tread cap and pre-aged midsole complete the underfoot design. The shoebox also features chain stitching and medium blue denim, continuing the jeans-inspired motif. Only available in women's sizes, the Air Jordan 1 Mid denim and gum will likely retail for $125 MSRP in the summer of 2025.